Hi everyone, welcome to LOPO TV. This is Rita. Today I'm going to share with you a full series for your car decoration. Includes our car air freshener, linen storage bag, and your neck pillowcase, and three size little size pillow cover. Because we can say car is the most important invention for family from 19th century, but it was supposed to be top 3. Car is popular and necessary for our daily life now. We spend more time along with our car, no matter for go to work, go to market, for traveling, or for daily life using. So that's why we come out today's product for your car decoration. We just hope a little bit changes could bring you a period of good time with your car. So the first one is our car air freshener. It's really a wonderful ornament to decorate your car, while makes your car always smell good with the perfume or essential oil. We have 4 different sizes today. The first one is we have a rectangle shape. We have round shape, square shape, and the last one is our 3D round shape, but I want to show you the packages later. So we have a finished one here. It's 2-part, and to fix it to have the 3D effects. For the car air freshener, is made with height-resistant plain white felt that is eco-friendly. For each sheet, they comes into pre-capped on 6x6. We have for each single one, we will have the retail package to show you with a small white PP bag here, and 6 white ribbon for handing out. So this is the whole package. For sublimating, the air freshener is both side printable. But the amazing point is the white ribbon also could be sublimated. And we suggested one side printing on the white ribbon, the effect will be better. The second one is our functional linen storage bag. I know linen material has been repeated over and over again, but does it just prove linen material has been popular on the market for a very long time? So just give yourself one more chance to try it if you missed it before. For this linen material storage bag, the outside material is the linen material. But for the inside, the special one is for the inside, the material is neoprene. You can see it's double side printable, so it's safe with washing machine also. But one more thing I would like to talk especially is for, you can see here, we paint the details on every product. So you can see we add the black edge on here to make the storage bag looks nicer. So you see, LOPO always take care of all the details. The third one is our soft linen car pillowcase. The neck pillowcase is made of LOPO unique white linen material, which is very super soft with a wonderful texture. And it's also the green material for sublimation. We have an elastic strap here. The design could help you simply tighten or loosen the strap as needed. Will help you comfortably to support your head and neck, make your jogging life more comfortable and safer. For the pillow filling, it's interchangeable. I've separated before. So for the cover, it's safe with washing machine also. Okay, the last one is our little size pillowcase. We have different size, which is 30 by 30, 25 by 25, and 15 by 15 is a smaller one. I love it so much. With different linen material, you can see this is the natural linen material. And this is the white soft linen material, and this is the blue linen material. So with different linen material, with different colors, isn't it very cute? With this pillow cover, you can make your card totally unique and personalized. After the details display, we will come to the printing steps. I've prepared the whole sheet air freshener, printing paper, heat resistant tape, and our Galaxy Hero. For the freshener today, we will show you to do the whole entire sheet. Just for reminding, for the rectangle shape, it's 8 pieces in a sheet. But for the other shape, it's 6 pieces in a sheet. You also have the option to do one at a time, which will make the product ideal for people who with the small printer and small press for getting into the retail market. So firstly, let's fix the paper with the freshener sheet here. Make sure the size is in the right place. Okay, let's move to the press. For the car air freshener, the setting will be 180 degrees, 60 seconds. Then we just wait for 60 seconds. Okay, finish. We will let it cool for a few seconds. The second one is our neck pillowcase. The neck pillowcase is double-side printing, but today we will show you how to print on the front side. But if you would like to print on the back side, you just turn over the strap like this and make it flat, then you can do the printing. So we just follow the same steps, fix the paper, and okay, finish. The setting will be 215 degrees, 45 seconds for the linen material. And make sure the paper is upside down. Okay, finish. We will wait for a few minutes to let it cool and move to the third one. For the linen storage bag is also double-side printing. So for the printing paper, this one is for the front side, and we have second one, this to print on the back side. So let me show you. We will fix the paper. Okay, and move to the press. For the linen material, the setting is the same, it's 215 degrees, 45 seconds. And also make sure the paper is upside down. Okay, let's wait for 45 seconds. Okay, finish. It's very hot now. We will let it cool for a few seconds and do the printing for the little side pillowcase. The last one is our little side pillowcase. We also will show you how to print on linen. We just follow the same step and fix the paper and then move to the press. It's okay, it's very easy. The setting also is 215 degrees, 45 seconds. finish, we also will let it cool for a few seconds. Now everything is well pressed, so we will show you how they look like after printing. Okay, now I will show you how to assemble the products. Here we have a tips for you. Just prepare a pan. And for the air freshener, it's a small hole here for hanging the ribbon. So we just use the pen to stick. It's okay. So for all those ones are the same. You can see, take it out. Yeah, it's very easy for you to take it out here. And for the white ribbon, we have shown you the one side printing. You can see. Yeah, here we finished. So now all the products are finished to sublimation. We will show you series by series to see the products. This is the car air freshener. We have do the double side printing. You can see the shapes different and the pictures will be a little bit different. Especially the 3D round one. You can see the pictures from any different size. And the second one is our neck pillowcase and the strap here. This is the linen storage bag. We also finished the both side printing. And the last one is the little side pillowcase. Okay, now follow me to get into the car to find the surprise. When we open the car, firstly we get into it and find our air freshener here. It can make your car smell good with the essential oil or perfume. And the second one is our storage bag. It can help you to put the little stuffs be ordered and help you to keep the car clean and tidy. So the third one, for driver comfortable, also the important points. So our neck pillowcase here is to tighten or loosen the neck pillowcase to help you be comfortable. And the last one, if you have baby in car, so our side pillowcase is very important to help you to calm them down, and it's to make your car be personalized and unique. Now those great items are not on the market yet, which opens up the huge potential for you to find out the gate to sell the amazing products. Car dealerships, car detail places, gift shops are the great place to sell these items. So to learn more about our products, please visit www.lopo.com and find more details. Hope you all could enjoy the time in your car. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.